For the last creative file here in Chapter 6, I'm going to ask you to design a promotional poster promoting BrickFest, a Lego convention at the Pasadena Convention Center. So in order to do that, I want to show you some previous examples. So I'm going to go to Browse in Bridge, and what I've done past years is I made a LegoCon poster. There never was anything called a LegoCon, but there is actually a BrickFest, which is pretty much a LegoCon. They just gave it a different name. So I've updated it. Okay, I'm going to come in and look through my Photoshop files here to Chapter 6. And you don't have this sample, but right here in mine, actually, I think you will have this. Yeah, because it's 6.5 and then you have 6.6. Okay. I want to talk a little bit about these samples, not just throw them on a disc. So what I've done in the past is I've given people the choice of doing a Star Wars Lego themed convention, or a Lego Friends convention, or what else do I have here? In the past, I've done Lego Simpsons, or Lego Ninja Turtles, or Lego Lord of the Rings. Okay, but we're going to update this a little bit. So you're not going to have as much type, but the whole idea of promoting a convention is what is it, where is it, and when is it? Those are the three things that should really jump out. What is it? Lego Show and Sale. Where is it? Anaheim Convention Center. When is it? December 15th. Okay, those are big. They're bold type. They're easy to read. What's going to catch my eye is a unique visual to go along with that poster. And then some selling points. Okay, if I'm kind of into Legos, but why should I go to this? Well, I got a 45,000 square foot exhibitor hall. I can get exclusive sets. I can meet the Lego Star Wars figures. Things like that. Things that will entice me to go. Who's the audience for this show? Kids. So I'm going to have you put at least one example of a kid in your poster. You got to show me you know how to cut out hair. And that was from Chapter 5. I'm not just going to teach you and skip over it. I'm going to teach you how to cut out hair from Chapter 5 and then say, hey, remember how to do this? So here's Lego Friends. It's a Lego show and sale. When? December 15th. Where? Anaheim Convention Center. And you can show boxes. You can show just characters. Some people have photoshopped it in a way that looks like he's holding the box. Some people photoshopped it so they put two hands there and he's holding the box. They added spacer bars for the text. Whatever you want to do, it's your poster. So I have a bunch of examples here. What I would do is ease up on the fonts, okay? Bold type for the informational fonts that really need to get across. Smaller, simpler type for other selling points. You don't want to go crazy with the type like this and make it hard to read, or give it a black and yellow outline, which again makes it hard to read. Okay, keep your type simple. You want to get that point across to people. You want to emphasize specific things. Lego Show and Sale. Have a little divider bar. Anaheim Convention Center. Hey, this could be you hanging out with the girls. Meet Olivia and Stephanie and Maya and Emma and all the others. And Andrea. Here's another example. This is one I did as an old demo. Lego Show and Sale, Anaheim Convention Center, December 15th. You get new sets and stuff like that. I did little outer glows around the characters. Here's one from the past where we did Lego Simpsons. Here's a beautiful poster, big, bold type, LegoCon. And then we got a nice image right here, then more type. So we kind of divided the composition into thirds. The upper third is the title. Middle third is the imagery to catch our attention. Bottom third is all the informational text to go with that. Here's another one. Anaheim Convention Center, November 15th. It's a Lego show and sale. Here's all our imagery. Meet the Lego Ninja Turtles live. Here's all our general information. There's another example. Got a nice little grouping of figures. Big title, December 15th, Anaheim Convention Center. Then we get all the information there. So you could add divider bars or just have one big background photo, or you could have bigger characters, little characters, whatever you want. It's going to be your Lego con poster, or what they call Brickfest. So in order to do that, I'm going to come back up here to chapter 6. Then I'm going to go to our final folder here for chapter 6, folder 6.6. I will talk about this in our next tutorial and walk you through the process. But time to be creative, so get your thinking caps on. And most importantly, it's a Brickfest. It's fun, so have fun with it. I'll talk to you in a few minutes and show you what you're going to be dealing with.